now we're going to be reviewing this BMW M5. It's a 5 litre V10 engine. It's got 500 horsepower. It can change gear into 65 milliseconds. Its top speed is 190 miles per hour. This car has black leather seats and what hugs you as you drive. This car is very comfy to sit in. There's only 220 of these because it's the touring version. This is the V10 engine. Now these the exhaust. It's got 2 on each side, so if you put them together, that's 4. Now we're going to go for a test drive. Now we're back home, guys. I want to tell you something. Do you know the BMW M5? I really liked about it. My favourite thing about it was the shape of it. I think the shape is really cool. The BMW M5 is super fast. It was so cool being inside of it. And I hope you liked my review on this car. See you next time. If you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and be sure to subscribe. Peace!